If you do not have clear, specific goals for your life, you are doomed forever to work for people who do.
People say, well, geez, I wish my life was better. Show me your written goals. Well, you don't have any written goals. Then don't tell me you wish your life was better, because you're lying to me and you're lying to yourself.
Most people claim to understand the importance of goal setting in order to attain a better life. But in fact, approximately 80% of people never set goals for themselves. This is especially prevalent among people who are not involved in some sort of business or any promotional goal setting. Even more surprising, of the 20% of the population that does set goals, roughly 70% fail to achieve the goals they have set for themselves. And when you take into consideration the fact that many of these goal-setting people strive for easily attainable small goals, it's a wonder that anyone accomplishes anything remarkable at all in business and in life. Before you rush out and set goals at random, you need to know what traps to avoid. What follows are the top 6 reasons why people fail at achieving their goals. Avoid these roadblocks and goal attainment will be yours. Fear of success or failure. Some people are afraid they will fail, or even worse, that they may actually succeed. As such, they don't even bother trying to attain a goal. Such people lack belief in themselves and in their potential. In their mind, if they fail, everyone will think negatively of them. And if they succeed, people will be envious and think negatively of them. Lack of understanding about the goal setting process. Many people mistakenly believe that goal setting simply means putting a goal on paper, setting a date for completion, marking off checkpoints as they occur, and then starting all over again. Lack of commitment to the goal. Even though people state that they want to achieve a certain goal, in truth, they are really not committed to it. Because of this lack of commitment, they don't give the act of goal attainment their full effort. Inactivity. After setting a goal, writing down dates and setting checkpoints, some people stop. They never actually take that first step needed to progress towards their goal. But realize, if you don't get started, you cannot go anywhere. Without action, nothing happens. Having too many goals. Some people have too many goals and not enough focus. It's like they are standing in front of a dartboard with 3 targets in mind. Hitting just one target is difficult enough. Hitting 3 targets simultaneously with one dart is impossible. Therefore, determine the one goal you are focused on and move forward with that one goal only. Goal achievement doesn't have to be an elusive target. You really can be whom you want and do what you want. Thank you so much.